freight company this morning saying they're about to deliver 13 pallets of toner. So I gotta head over there right now. That's over 1,000 toners coming today. I'm excited. Let's go. This has easily gotta be the biggest shipment we're receiving this year. Here's a fun fact. Despite the fact that all HP counterfeit cartridges come from China, guess what also comes from China? Yep, even the real ones. What's up, guys? Currently it's Saturday at 3 p.m. and here we are, back at the warehouse, about to continue breaking down that large pallet of toners. That Thursday morning was crazy. The truck came at 8:30, but we couldn't unload it until 10:30 because the loading dock was completely full. We have 5 spots on our loading dock. Normally they're free in the mornings, but on that particular day they were all occupied.
Exactly what I told you, see? Yeah. You have to hold it.
So some of you might be wondering where all of this toner came from. And if you guessed HP, you're correct. Not directly per se, but more so from an asset liquidation company. If you don't know what those companies are, they've been around for quite a while now, and what they do is they help large corporations like HP get rid of their old unsold products, either because it's expired or they came out with newer, better versions that they need to sell on their normal marketing channels. We finally finished breaking it all down. All 13 pallets. We actually had to repalletize some of them because of limited warehousing space. So whatever we broke down in the pallets, we put them back on the same ones and then rewrapped it because they're ready to go right back out. Here's a little sneak peek on what we received in this shipment. Got a bunch of HP CF413As. Yep. This whole box right here, this whole Gaylord box is filled with the same item in one color. HP Laser Toner CF413A Magenta. Yeah, that's over 300 pieces in here. It's crazy. HP is doing some serious summer cleaning. And if you look at the expiration dates, what do you know? They're expired. Made in Japan. Expiration date October 12, 2018. Yep. All expired. Can't sell that at the retail stores, can they? So you're probably asking, why doesn't HP do it themselves? They have the resources, they have the manpower, they could just hire their own team of asset liquidators to take care of their old inventory, because you know they have a lot. I was like, well, why does any business do anything? Companies typically make decisions based on 2 things: if they can make money or if they can save money. Well, it's much cheaper to just outsource all this work to a third party. Now cue in these asset liquidation companies. They come in and take care of everything. They do all the work. They count the inventory, they find buyers, they handle the packing and the shipping, and they make sure they get paid. And in return, they get a cut of the sale. Now, even though we bought over 1,000 toners from them, keep in mind, that's just the tip of the iceberg compared to the total amount of inventory they had to move for HP. It was ridiculous. It wasn't just toners itself, it was equipment, IT supplies, IT gear, anything. Toners was just what we were interested in. And my work here is done. See you guys until next time.